Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning to all of my students. So now we are going to learn new topic for additional mathematics SSM Form 4, which is Chapter 10, Index Number. So in this video, you are going to learn subtopic 10.1, Index Numbers. Okay, so this is our learning standards for today. So by the end of this video, you should be able to define index numbers and describe the use of it, and then you also should be able to determine and interpret index number, and lastly you should be able to solve problems involving index number. Defining and describing index number. So look at the conversation above here. So the guy said, I paid RM 680 for this smartphone last year, while the girl said she paid for RM 748 for the same smartphone this year. So there is an increase in the price. So if you find the increase of the price, 748 minus with 680, you will get 68. So 68 divided by the original price, 680 times 100, so which is 10%. Okay, so there is, if you are able, okay, look at the first statement here. Based on the conversation above, what conclusion can be made regarding the price of the smartphone in this year and last year? So if you are able to set an increase of 10%, here 10% in the prices, then you have made a relation regarding the index number. In general, index number is a statistical measure to measure the change of a variable of a particular year as compared to another year which considered to be the base year. Okay, the base year usually has the value of 100, and index number is 100 times the ratio with the base. The variable can consist of value of currency, price, product, earning, quantity, job opportunity, and others. Okay, so next. Okay, these are varieties of index number with different calculation. Okay, for example, consumer price index. IHP is equal to market price at the current year. You divide by market price at the base year times 100. Okay, if A quality index, okay, so I is equal to I high minus I low divided by C high minus C low in bracket C minus C low plus I high. Okay, I refer to the air quality index while C refer to the concentration of pollutant. Okay, this is the formula for death index suffered in accident. You can refer here. And lastly, what usually seen in real life is your how to calculate your BMI, body mass index. Weight divided by height times with hundreds. Okay, so this is the example of varieties of index number in our real life. Okay, determine and interpret index number. In general, the formula for index number can be written as I is equal to Q1 over Q0 times 100. So with Q0 refer to price or quantity at the base year, while Q1 is equal to price or quantity at a particular year. So mathematics pocket, price index or quantity is the ratio in percentage without writing the percentage symbol. Okay, the example number 1. The price of an X branded watch in the year 2017 and 2018 was 500 and 550 respectively. Calculate the index number of the price of the watch in the year 2018 based on the year 2017. Okay, interpret the index number obtained. So here the price for X branded watch for 2017 is 500, while for 2018 is 550. Okay, so what is the formula for index number? So here this is the formula given previously. Okay, I is equal to Q1 over Q0 times 100. So Q1 refer to particular year, okay, which is 2018, and the base year, okay, the statement said that based on the year 2017. So 2017 refer to the base year, okay, Q0. So substitute into the formula. Okay, let Q naught is the price in the year 2017, while Q1 refer to the price in the year 2018. So this is the formula. I is equal to Q1 over Q naught times 100. So substitute the value Q1 550 for 2018, and the base year 2017, the price is 500 times with 100, so you will get the index number is 110. Okay, means that there is an increase of 10%. This is 110. Okay, without writing the percentage, so 110%, so increase in the 10% here. Okay, so there is an increase of 10% in the price from the year 2017 to the year 2018. So if you get the index number, it's like 120. So means that there is increase of 20%. 130 means that there is increase of 30%, and so on. Okay, smart tip. The value of index number more than 100 means there will be an increase when compared to the base year, whereas index number smaller than 100 means there will be a decrease or reduction when compared to the base year. So if you get 90 here, the answer is 90, means that there is a decrease of price 10%. Okay. Example number 2. In the year 2017, the number of sports governing bodies registered with the Sport Commissioner Office is 893. Given that the index number of registration of sport governing bodies of the year 2017 based on the year 2010 is 156.39. So it's already given the index number is 156.39 and 2017 based on 2010. Okay, calculate the number of sport governing bodies registered in 2010. Okay, in 2017 the value is 800, the quantity is 893. So using the formula here, you are going to find here the quantity for the base year, which is 2010. So substitute all the value you know into this formula and find the quantity for 2010. Okay, the solution here, let Q naught is number of registered registration in 2010. Since 2010 is the base year, Q1 refer to the particular year, which is 2017. Okay, so this is the formula. Okay, so since the index number is already given, so 156.39 here, I refer to I. Okay, this is the quantity who registered registration for 2017, 893. You are going to find the number of sport governing bodies registered in base year, which is 2010 times 100. So what you are going to do, okay, this one you multiply, you can write this 156.39 is equal to 893 times with 100, okay, divide by Q naught, Q naught. Okay, so change place. So Q naught is equal to 893 times 100 divided by 156.39. Okay, so you are going, if you press the calculator, you will get the answer is 571. This one, 893 times 100 divided by 156.39. So you get 571. Thus, the number of sport governing bodies registered in the year 2010, which is the base year, is 571. Okay, example number 3. The price index of bicycle in the year 2018 based on 2010 was and 2015 was 176 and 110 respectively. So 2018 based on 2010 was 176, while for 2018 based on 2015 was 110 respectively. So this is two information from this sentence, and the question asks you to find the price index of the bicycle in the year 2015 based on the year 2010. So this is the formula for index number or price index. So the solution, okay. So how you are going to find 2015 based on the year 2010? So refer to the year given previously, 2018 based on 2010 and 2018 based on 2015. So if you write here, okay, let's say 2000, the first one 2018 with 2010 based on 2010, and the second one is 2018 based on 2015. Okay, so how you are going to get 2015 based on 2010? So what you need to do with these two information, so you have to divide. Okay, let's say if you divide 2018 based on 2010 with 2018 based on 2015, so division, so how to solve this one? 2018 divided by 2010, so division change into multiplication, so these two will change the position, so 2015 over 2018. So 2018 cross with 2018. So you left 2015 above, okay, as above here. So 2010 is the yang bawah ni penyebut dia lah. So you are going to get the answer 2015 over 2010. So here the question asks you for 2015 based on 2010. So that's why with the equation number 1, which is 2018 time, based on 2010 times 100, the price index is 176, while 2018 based on 2015 times 100 is 110. So equation number 1, you have to divide with equation number 2, then you will get 2015 of based on 2010. Okay, divide these two. Okay, so put into the formula, I is equal to 2015 over 2010 times 100 means that, okay, this one is the quantity for 2015, 2010. So based on 2010, so 176 divided by 110, substitute into here. Okay, the price or the quantity. Okay, so 176 divided by 110 times with 100, you will get 160. Okay, so that's the answer. So this is the alternative method. You can also try this alternative method using the index or price index for 2018, okay, based on 2015. So 2018 based on 2010, you divide by 2015 based on 2010, you will get 2018 based on 2015, and then you times with 100, substitute the value, so you are going to find this one. Okay, price index for 2015 based on 2010. Okay, change the position and so on, and you will get the answer is the same, which is 160. Okay, so please try practice 10.1, question number 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then you can check your answer here. So this is the answer, and show your working, your solution in your exercise book. Okay, next we move to solve the problems involving index number. According to the statistic from the Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment, the total number of visitors who visited Taman Negara Pahang Sungai Relok in the year 2016 was 17,721. If National Park Corporation targeted a 10% increase in the number of visitors for the year 2018, calculate the expected number of visitors in the year 2020. Okay, so we are going to find the expected number of visitors in the year 2020 if the rate of increment kadar penaikan dia 10% lah, which is 2018 to the year 2020 is the same as the rate of increment. Okay, same rate of increment of the visitor from the year 2016 to the year 2018. Okay, so which is 10% increment. Okay, so in order to solve the problem just now, so you have to understand the problem. So this is the simplified information that you will get from the question just now. So number one, number of visitors in the year 2016 was 17,721. Okay, and then the question also mentioned that the increment of 10% from the year 2016 to the year 2018, and it also mentioned that the rate of increment of the visitor from 2018 to the year 2020 is the same as the rate of the increment of the visitor from 2016 to 2020. Means that the increment for 2018 to the 2020 is also 10%. Okay, and the question asks you to find the number of visitors in the year 2020. So to solve this question, next you are going to plan the strategy, how you are going to use this information to solve the problem. So you are going to find the number of visitors in the year 2018 first, okay, by using the index number formula. Okay, since the question number of visitors for 2020, so you are going to use number of visitors for 2018 as well. Okay, that's why you have to find the number of visitors for 2018. Okay, and then by using number of visitors in the year 2018, and the answer that you get from the first step, okay, then you can calculate the number of visitors in the year 2020 using the formula for index number. So this is the formula for index number. Okay, in case you still cannot remember, so I is Q1 over Q0, okay, particular year over base year times with 100. Okay, so how to implement the strategy? So we are going to find the number of visitors in the year 2018. Okay, so index number for 2018 based on 2016 is equal to quantity of visitor for 2018 divided by quantity of visitor for 2016 times with 100. So you know that the increment is 10%, means that the index number is 110. So that's why you get 110 here from the statement here. Increment of 10% from 2016 to the year 2018, means that 2016 as the base year. Okay, so 2018 based on 2016, you will get 110. So quantity of 2018, that you are going to find the quantity for visitor for 2018 divided by quantity of visitor for 2016 already given in the question, which is 70,721 times with 100. Okay, so how to solve this one? This one, you just change the position. This one change into here. So Q 2018 is equal to sorry, so this is wrong. So how you are going to solve this one? This one you bring to the left hand side. So 110 multiply with 17,721 is equal to Q quantity of visitor for 2018 times with 100. So 100 bring to this one, become divide. Okay, left hand side. So this one is multiplication. So if you bring to the left hand side, means that you have to divide by 100. So 110 times with 17,721 divided by 100, you will get the quantity is 19,493. Okay, so how to find the number of visitors in the year 2020? So index number 2020 based on 2018. Okay, 2020 quantity dia divide by 2018 times with 100. Okay, since the increment from 2018 to the year 2020 means that the base year is 2018. Okay, so particular year is 2020. So 2020 divided by 2018 times with 100. Okay, where do you get 110? From the increment of 10%. Okay, if you increment 10% means that 110. Okay, 110 put into the formula. So how to find quantity for 2020, similar as the previous step. So you should multiply this one with this one. So quantity for 2020 is equal to 110, you multiply with 19,493, and then you divide by 100. So you will get quantity of visitor for 2020 is 21,442. Okay, so this is the expected number of the visitor. Okay, making a conclusion. Okay, you can check your answer. This is just checking the answer with the value of the quantity of the visitor that you get just now. So this is based on this is 2020 based on 2018. So 21,442 you divide by 2018, 19,493 times with 100, you will get around 110%. While for 2018 based on 2016, you will divide this quantity and then you will get 110, means that there is increment of the 10% okay, from number of visitors from the base year to the particular year. Okay, then please do self practice 10.2, question number 1 and question number 2, and then you can check your answer here, question number 1 and question number 2. Okay, that's all from me for subtopic 10.1, index number. So in the next class, you are going to learn subtopic 10.2, which is composite index.